ACIMIT is a more than 70 years old association and is always been, let's say, promoting and helping our companies to be present as much as possible in as many countries possible in the world. As you know, 84% of our turnover is exported, so we definitely need a very efficient and organized association to follow all our company. And also, the majority of our company are small to medium companies, so they definitely need a little bit more help than the others to get, let's say, to be on the market. Oh, well, let's say I am very happy of this question because it's the last 3 years we had very good positive results. So the turnover of the textile machinery has been increasing steadily, and even this year we hope to conclude with minimum of 6% plus. So we are around 2.7 billion euro of turnover, sorry, out of which, as I said, 84% is for the export. A little bit everywhere in the world, and this is the nice part of it because obviously Asia is the biggest share of it, but all the rest of the world is very well represented. I would say also equally 20–30% Europe and also the Americas. Well, historically, you know, Italy has been very strong in the finishing part, finishing, and nowadays also digital printing is there. In fact, even ITMA Asia, over 46% of the companies that are here are in these fields. We cannot deny, obviously, the presence of the spinning and winding industry, around 23%, and also weaving and knitting. But finishing is what also makes the difference, I would say, with the final touch, as we can say, the Italian final touch, if you allow me to say, in the final good. So this is also, we are proud of that. I would say that, well, we always depend on our customers, but we also have to offer them something interesting to push them to invest a little bit more. So as I was saying in the press conference, the Sustainable Technology Project has definitely been a driver of this growth because it has pushed our industry to become more efficient and to propose something that had more appeal also to our end user and could play a difference compared to the other, let's say, machinery available on the market. And you, since you are from Pakistan, I am pleased to see that Pakistan is now basically our seventh market, sorry, of export for Italy, but with 49% increase on sales for 2016. So that's a fantastic trend that I hope it will continue. Well, we were a pioneer on it, as I was saying also to our Chinese friend before. It's something that nobody believed in that when we started 5 years ago and our previous president launched this project. But now I would say we have somehow somebody else also tried to copy the concept. So it means that when you are copying, same as machine, also ideas, it means that you are the benchmark. But I always repeat, and I will never end up repeating this, that the important thing is that the result we are giving, or our company are giving, are certified data, and this is the main point. It's not only a marketing tool, but is an effective result. So it's an effective benefit for the end user who are going to use those machines. Well, the objective of our association is to allow our company to be present every day more in as much as possible countries in the world, especially since I am president. These last 3 years what I tried is that I want the Italian machinery to be present is also what we call the second tier countries, that where the textile, I don't want to say is in a developing stage, but still has a very big potential in growth, and also in new countries where let's say is coming up at the moment. So let's say to help, as I said, small companies, so we have to go together with them in as much as possible countries.